Hello, good morning students. So today we are going to start with new and interesting chapter natural resources. Student, this is chapter number 16. So let's get started. Students, let's recall before starting with this chapter. What is meant by natural resources? Natural resources are materials from the earth that are used to support life and meet people's needs. Any natural substances that humans use can be considered a natural resource. Oil, coal. So, examples of natural resources, as I told you, oil, coal, natural gas, metals, stone, and sand are natural resources. So student, what is meant by lithosphere? So the rigid outer part of the earth consisting of the crust and upper mantle, that is called lithosphere. So student, what we shall learn in this lesson? So we are going to discuss about natural resources, examples of natural resources, lithosphere, minerals and ores. How are minerals formed? Classification of minerals. Some important minerals like iron ore, manganese, bauxite, copper, mica, etc. We get many substances from nature. They satisfy a variety of our daily needs. Soil, stones, minerals, air, water, plants, and animals on the earth are all various kinds of natural resources. Natural resources in the earth crust. Student, the earth's lithosphere is made up of land and the hard crust beneath it. The lithosphere is not homogeneous but is made up of many types of rocks. Resources in the earth crust include minerals, ores, mineral oil and other fuels, rocks, water, elements. Now next topic is minerals and ores. So mineral wealth is an important place among natural resources. Minerals are formed by various processes taking place in the environment. Only few metals like gold, silver, copper, platinum and bismuth occur in the free state in nature. A majority of the metals occurs in the form of compounds. Minerals that contain high proportion of metals are called ores. The properties of minerals become clear from their characteristics. Color, luster, hardness, shape, cleavage, fracture, streak. These are the characteristics of properties of minerals. How are minerals formed? So student, minerals are formed from the magma in the earth crust and the lava from the eruption of volcanoes when they cool and get transferred into crystal. Next, minerals are formed when solid crystal remain behind after the process of evaporation. As you can see here, halite is the crystal and it get transferred into gypsum. Minerals get transferred from one form into another due to large changes in temperature and pressure. For an example, you can see diamond. In a large process, it gets changes into graphite. Some living organisms produce inorganic minerals. Example, conches, shells, etc. formed for the protection of the body. As you can see here, shell. Classification of mineral according to their properties. As you can see here, non-metal minerals, metal minerals and energy minerals. In non-metal mineral student there will be mica, sulfur, gypsum, potash, graphite, diamond, feldspar. In metal minerals, it's iron, gold, silver, tin, bauxite, manganese, platinum, tungsten. And in energy mineral, there is coal, mineral oil, and natural gas. Now we are going to see some important minerals and ores. First one is iron ore. Student, iron occurring in the impure state is called iron ore. Iron ore is used to make a variety of articles from pins to heavy machinery. For example, farming implements, rails of railway tracks, etc. There are main four iron ore. Example, magnetite, hematite, limonite and siderite. Next is manganese. Manganese occurs in the form of its carbonate, silicate and oxide. Compounds of manganese are used in the preparation of medicine and for giving a pink tinge to glass. Manganese is also used in electrical appliances. It is also used in the preparation of a medicine. Next is bauxite. Bauxite is the most important ore of aluminium. It contains 55% aluminium. Bauxite consists mainly of aluminium oxide. Aluminium is a very good conductor of electricity and heat. Its density is low. Therefore, it is used mainly in aeroplanes, transport vehicles, and to make electric wires. Next is copper. Copper is found in the impure state in the vicinity of iron and other minerals. Copper is a very good conductor of electricity. Therefore, it is used to make electric wires as well as in radios, telephones, vehicles, and for making kitchen utensils and statues. Next is mica. Mica is a bad conductor of electricity. Its value depends on the thickness of its layers. Mica has many uses such as in Ayurvedic medicine, dyes, electric machines and equipment, wireless communication equipment, etc. Let us do the evaluation. What you had learned in this entire module. Tell the main ores of iron ore. Tell the examples of natural resources. Tell the properties of metals and tell the names of minerals. Now, based on this module, I want to give you a small assignment. Write about the following: mineral resources, mining work. What is meant by metal mineral and non-metal minerals? Write the layers of earth crust. Student, today we will stop here. In the next module, we'll continue with the further topic of this chapter. Till then, student, take care. Thank you.